Today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can resize your photo to fit your Instagram without cropping. So it's pretty simple, but to do this, you need to download this app called Snapseed. It looks just like this. You can download it from your Play Store or App Store. It's free, so you don't have to worry about it. So after downloading it, now before moving, download this app called Snapseed. You want to open this app called Snapseed. Wait for some time. After you open this app Snapseed, you want to click on this plus button, and click on allow this app to access your storage, and you want to choose the photo which you want to add. So let's say I want to add this photo on my Instagram without cropping. After importing your photo to Snapseed, what you want to do is you want to go on tools, and on tools you want to click on expand. Now you want to use two of your finger, and you want to zoom in a bit, just a bit. Alright, don't zoom too much, a bit as well, just a bit. Alright, now after zooming in a bit, click on save, and after saving it, you want to go on tools again, and you want to click on expand again. You want to do this step 4 or 5 times. Alright, so you want to zoom in again a bit, and you want to click on save. Now after you do this multiple times, on like 5 or 4 times, what you want to do is after it's done, you want to click on export, and you want to click on where it says share. You want to click on share, and after it's done, you want to click on Instagram over here. After clicking on Instagram, you want to click on this button over here. After clicking on this button, your photo has been resized over here, and it's going to look just like this. Now I'm going to click on this button over here. After clicking on this button, you can add filter if you want, but if you don't, you can click on this button. Now if you want to add some caption or other stuff, you can, but if you don't, then you just can click on the tick mark, wait for some time, and your photo will be uploaded without it being cropped.